I'll just show you how to replace the battery in a 2007 Citroen Xsara Picasso remote key. You can see there, that's where you need to be levering, and you do lever, you don't press. So if you do use a screwdriver, be very, very careful. Put it in the end and just turn it. Don't be pressing in there. So turn it. It's a lot easier if it's not on the other key. This is probably the most difficult bit, getting the key out. Sorry, getting the battery out. In which case you have to kind of press it from that side. It's a very tight fit, and you kind of need something to slot in there and get it out. You see, keep levering that out, and it's just an accident waiting to happen, to be honest. Just take that out of there like so. It's located on those little lugs there. At least you can get hold of it there. Just. That's a really tight fit, and you can see there it's made a scratch on that battery. So the battery is a CR 2016. Reverse order, press in, locates on these little lugs here. You see the two holes there, two corresponding holes there. Just on there, and then clip back. That's that.